5% are going to fail. That is 8 minus 5 into 8 minus 5. Okay, 8 minus 5 is equals to 3, and 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. This is what many people are going to do, but this answer is incorrect. Okay, to solve this, we're going to use the order of operation called PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So here we have to start by doing the parentheses. So we'll copy this 8 minus 5 into, as we said before, we have to start by doing what is inside the parentheses. 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. So this is our new expression. 8 minus 5 into 3. We're going to rewrite this another way. 8 minus 5. We're going to remove the brackets and we're going to replace it by a multiplication sign. So at this level, this is what we have. We have an expression with a subtraction and with a multiplication. So are we going to start by the subtraction or are we going to start by the multiplication? We have to come back here and look for the order. We have here parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. So we start with the multiplication or division before doing the addition and the subtraction. So we have to look for this before we do the subtraction. 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15. So finally we have here 8 minus 15, and this is simply equals to -7. So this is how you have to solve this math problem. The final answer is -7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more videos like this one. See you next time.